replace and overwrite instead of appending. I have the following code. Where I'd like to replace the old content that's in the file with the new content. However, when I execute my code, the file test.xml is appended, i.e. I have the old content full-wed by the new, replaced content. What can I do in order to delete the old stuff and only keep the new?
You need seek to the beginning of the file before writing and then use file.truncate if you want to do in-place replace. The other way is to read the file then open it again with open, my file, w. Neither truncate nor open, w, will change the inode number of the file. I tested twice, once with Ubuntu 12.04 NFS and once with extension 4. By the way, this is not really related to Python. The interpreter calls the corresponding low-level API. The method truncate works the same in the C programming language. See this URL.
Using truncate, the solution could be
Open the file in W mode, you will be able to replace its current text, save the file with new contents.
I had a similar problem, and instead of overwriting my existing file using the different modes, I just deleted the file before using it again, so that it would be as if I was appending to a new file on each run of my code.
Console and Overwrite